welcome back. Happy Saturday again. So I am really excited for this video. I know I say I'm excited, I think, in every video, but for this one I really am. As you can see from the title down below, today I'm going to be showing you guys some new stuff I got. So this is like a beauty, little bit of skincare, makeup haul, and the good thing about it is a lot of this I actually used points from Birchbox or Glossybox and different things to redeem, and I didn't have to pay anything for it. So if you have any of these subscriptions, make sure you're using, you know, the full advantage of loyalty points, or like with BoxyCharm, you're using charms, Ipsy, you're using your points, and you can redeem and you can get free makeup or skincare items. So I have quite the collection here. Some of this obviously I did order, but most of it I did actually redeem with points. So let's get into it. So let me move this out of the way. We will start with the more skincare related items, if you will. So with Glossybox, you can turn your Glossy credits into either covering like your subscription if you want. I was not aware of that actually until after I had placed this order, or you can do an order and you can order things with those credits from Look Fantastic. And that is what I did. And I got 3 sheet masks right here from Tony Moly. And the first one I got is I'm Cactus, and it's a purifying mask. This one is for pore care, and it is I'm a red wine mask. Kitty, I know what you're thinking. And then we have an illuminating mask, and it's I'm Pearl. So I got these Tony Moly masks, and I've never had a cactus mask. I don't think I've had a red wine mask. I may have had a pearl mask or something, but I'm not sure. But either way, I got these to try out. So there's that. Now this actually I believe was Birchbox. I love these. These are the Acure makeup removing wipes. This is the coconut cleansing towelettes with argan oil, and it's for all skin types. It's brightening as well. And I do love that they're vegan, cruelty free, and all of that. There's 30 of them in here. I do have another kind. They're like a micellar water version, but they're from Acure. I love them. I'm obsessed with the face wipes. I will wipe my face all day long. Now, this is what I was really excited to find. So I missed out on the BoxyCharm skincare box, the limited edition box. And there was one item in there. Well, there was more than one, but there was specifically one that I was like, that sounds amazing. And I have, if you've followed me, become obsessed with facial mist this summer. Like, I don't know where they've been all my life. I love the facial mists. This actually is a larger version than what was in the BoxyCharm limited edition, but this was on Look Fantastic's website. This is from Caudalie. This is the grape water. So I was so excited to find this. And I can't wait to use it. This has been sitting here because I've been waiting for all of this stuff to come in. So I've actually had this for about a week or 10 days. So I'm so glad that I get to use this now. So I have that, and that's kind of it for skincare. The rest is kind of makeup-ish. There are a few items that aren't really actual makeup, so we'll go over those. This is from Birchbox. This is from Parlor by Jeff Chastain. It's a flexible hold hairspray. I just got the travel size because this is something that I like to keep in a bag. Or I actually may give this to Christopher, because if you've seen him in any videos or any pictures on Instagram, he's getting where he likes to do this like swoop thing with his hair. So I actually may just give this to him for him to do his hair, because he's growing up on me, y'all. Then this I was really excited about. I found this on Birchbox as well. This is a beauty blender. It's the Electric Violet. And I'm like so excited about this because it came with this like super like cute and just extra bougie fancy holder, if you will. And it came with, and I'm excited to try this. I've actually never tried, but this is the Beauty Blender Solid Swirl, the cleanser. So this was like a little set. So this will come out, this will sit on this. So cute. And then the cleanser. So I'm excited to try their cleanser. If you've tried it before, let me know down below how well you think it works. And then again, this is not really makeup, but it applies. This is a Tarte eyeshadow brush. It's like a double-ended shader blender. So there's that. And now the rest is all makeup. So a couple of these items are new, and then a couple are like oldies but goodies that I had just never gotten and decided to finally get. So one, we'll kind of go with in order because I have multiple items from different brands. Now, this I blame on Tracy. She crafty. She got this and I was like, I have been eyeing it for so long, and it is like an OG for sure, but I just didn't have it in my collection. And I was like, you know what? My collection needs it after I saw her video and saw how gorgeous it was. So thank you, Tracy. And that is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette right here. So, oh, it's taped. Like I said, some of the stuff I've had sitting here for a week or 2 weeks, waiting for everything to come in. So I can't wait. It's like I have a couple other. I have like the Bonbon, the Peach. I have the Natural Lust, the Mini Chip. But this one I didn't have. So, and the little card just fell out that shows you different looks. But so there's the outside. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this because, like I said, it is an OG. Oh my gosh. But how gorgeous are these colors? And this, you see the sparkle? You see the sparkle and the shimmer? Yes. And it does have a mirror here. I'm just not going to blind you. But I was like, yep, I do need that. And considering I put myself on a no buy for August, which I've done really well, even though today is only the 3rd. I've done well. So I am just so excited to give this a try. So again, thank you, Tracy, for purchasing it and showing it and basically making my mind up for me. So yay, I have that. But there was one thing that I got with that order. I did not want to go ahead and spend the money for the full price because I get this type of product so much in subscription boxes, and I honestly don't use it every day, but I've heard amazing things about this. So I got like the deluxe, like the deluxe sample or trial size of the new Damn Girl mascara, because I have heard the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is one of my favorites. I've heard this is even better. So I got this, but like I said, because I get so many mascaras in different subscription boxes, I was like, I'm just gonna pick up the small version and give it a try. And you know, if I do end up really loving it, I'll go back and purchase the full size. But so there we have it. Damn Girl and Too Faced. So can't wait to give that guy a try. Okay, and now this is another product that I have been eyeing for a couple of months. It is still fairly new, I guess you could say. It released earlier in the spring, but that is the Tarte High Tides and Good Vibes. You see this? Look how cute. Packaging gets me all the time. High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette. Like I said, sometimes just the packaging on something will sell me. But the packaging, yes, is super cute and adorable, but y'all, oh my gosh. All right. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this? Look at these glitters. What? I do not have any glitter shadows like that, so yes ma'am, finally broke down. I did have some Tarte rewards, so, but y'all, how stinking cute is this? Ah! All right, and now the last 4 items are all new release items, so I'm super excited about these. And this is actually the final thing I was waiting on, so it just came in, and it came in a couple days ago, but I'm just now filming. I took a couple days off from filming. Thankfully, I had a couple videos pre-recorded, but let's just get to it. So we have from ColourPop, honey. So I have almost all of the monochromatic palettes. I don't have the blue one. I put that, actually, I did buy it and it's in the giveaway. It was in a giveaway, but I don't really think I need that one because Kitty's Boxes actually gave me the Tarte Icy Bitch, whatever palette from Tarte. I think I said Tarte, I don't know. And it's blues, so I don't really think I need the blue one. I don't have yet the brown sugar. And then obviously, of course, as soon as I ordered these, they released the strawberry, so I don't have that one. But we have the Honey. So let's take a look here. Oh my gosh. Why did I not know when I literally just showed you guys that Tarte palette? Talking about the glitter, I did not realize. Look at that. How gorgeous. Oh, that is so beautiful. I didn't realize that was even in there. I just was like, yellows, that would be fun. Oh, I love it. This color's called Buzzkill. So there's that, the honey. Honey, All right, and then the last go together, they were actually a little bundle, and it features the Orange You Glad new palette from ColourPop. And I was thinking with fall coming up, and like Halloween, y'all, there's another one of those like glitters in here, and I missed it. Oh my gosh. Squeeze me. Mimosa Miami. Oh my gosh. Oh, how gorgeous is that, y'all? Oh, that glitter color Clementine is just getting me. This right here. Oh, I love it so, so much. Gorgeous. Aren't you glad? Now, the last 2 items are, they came with this as like a little bundle. Now, I actually do not have any of these, so I'm excited to give them a try. And they are they're 2 of the Jelly Much eyeshadows. So I have like some Super Shock shadows, but I have never had the Jelly shadows from ColourPop. So I'm excited to give these a try. Take these out of the boxes so we can look. So here is the first one. And this is called Whistlin' Pixie. Like Whistlin' Dixie. So there it has like a... Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. Okay, so there's that guy. And then the second one, The packaging is a little different. And this is called We Jammin'. It says, keep me. Y'all, look at that. That is so beautiful. We're gonna keep that because it said keep me. So that's everything. What did you guys think? What was your favorite item? Do you guys have any of these? If you do, which, do you like them? Let me know how they perform. I can't wait to play around with these items. I'm super excited. And I just realized, surprisingly enough, in this whole little beauty haul, I didn't get a single lip product. That's okay. I'm excited. Gonna have some fun playing with that. So like I said, let me know what you think down below. If you have not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. We do all kinds of unboxings, haul videos, sneak peek videos. We do lots of giveaways. We actually have quite a few giveaways going on right now. We have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will be down below. We have a Jeffree Star giveaway going on. We have a Stack With Me box giveaway going on. And we have a Rebecca Mail giveaway going on. So we have lots of giveaways going on right now. So definitely check them out. And again, let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. And again, I hope you have a wonderful Saturday evening, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.